ever making. And I'm actually just getting ready for work, so I figured why not? Might as well just make a video. So let's get to it. I've already moisturized and I just need to prime. I'm going to use the Aqua Priming Base by Makeup Revolution and just alrighty, so we're gonna start off with the brows. So what I'm gonna start off with my brows, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Duo brush, and I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics brow palette, and I'm gonna use the wax. BH Cosmetics, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna use this color. I know it looks really bad. Use it as a close-up just because my roommate broke mine. I'm gonna use the dark brown pomade. What I like to do is just underline where I want the brows. Just like that. And then after I underline it, I just like to fill in the middle before lining the top of my brows. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Alright, so I just did my brows. Surprisingly, they went by really fast. What I'm going to do is I'm going to conceal my brows now to help sharpen, you know, clean up whatever edges I need to do. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal to do that. And then I'm going to use my Morphe Y21 brush to help conceal it. I actually took this from my dad's girlfriend, and I'm pretty sure she got it off Amazon. Brush out the concealer so it's smooth. Alright, so I've concealed the brows, and what I'm going to do now is conceal the top of the brows to help sharpen that as well. Do that, and then I'll grab my brush again and help clean it up. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe. Looks scratched up, my poor baby. Grab this Morphe M532, and I'm going to use, do they have shades on here? Oh, the shade Butter and Pukey, and just put it on my lid. I'm going to place that all over my lid. And I'm going to use this palette by the Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to use the color Crepes and Chocolat, these two, and I'm going to blend that on the outer corner. The Afrique by Juvia's. I'm going to use the color Coffee, which is the golden shimmer right here. Eyeshadow C brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm just going to place it on top. e.l.f. crease brush, the very thin one. I'm going to help blend the glitter out so it doesn't look like a sharp line. Alright. So I'm using the color Cameroon and Kissy from the same palette and blending it out on the outer corner. Alright, so now we're going to start off with the liner. This is the Sephora liner. Alright, so I like to start from the inner corner. I'll start with the wing. So I like to just put it all over my face. Just squirt a little bit. Contour kit as well. So if I used a really dark one and then I'd use the powder one to help kind of set it, it just would be really dark. Concealer, and I'm just gonna drag it down on my face. So now I'm actually going to use the Airspun loose powder and get my sponge to set my face. So I leave it on for a second, just, you know, like I said, I pat it in, and then just kind of brush it out. Sephora Airbrush Blush Brush. I actually don't use that for blush either. I use it for the contour. This is my Anastasia one. It's all beat up, my poor baby. This color right here, and I'm mixing with this other one right under it. Alright, so now moving on to blush. I like to use the Makeup Revolution blush palette. My dad's girlfriend got this for me. I've also hit pan. I'm going to be using this color and the color right next to it over here. And after that, I'll do the same thing, bunch it up like this and get it closer to my nose. Just because I like my nose to look a little pink. This was a blush brush. But I like to use it to clean out everything. Lower lash line with color. It's called Bintu. I believe that's what it's called. I'm going to use that. And I'm going to use the Morphe E36 brush. Yeah. The inner corner of my eye to help make my eyes pop. And I'm going to use the color Angelique from the same palette to help pop. Corner of my eyes, what it looks like. I have my Revlon eyelash curler. They're AliExpress. Anyways. Alright, so we're on to highlight, and I like to use the Physicians Formula highlighter. It's the butter bronzer, and it smells like coconut. I like to use a Juvia's Place loose palette, or loose highlighter. To set my face with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. Now onto lips, I like to use the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick. This is the color Berry Brown. It's number 120. I like to use the Oh My Goddess gloss. It's a very pretty gloss right here. It's very shimmery. That is the makeup look for today. It's a very natural, soft glam. Nothing too crazy. Thanks so much for watching. You know, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you guys want to find me on Instagram, I will link that down below, just because my last name is very hard to spell. And my makeup page, I will also link that down below. Give this a thumbs up. You know, if you guys want to see me try anything different or new, I'm always welcome to that. Just let me know, and let me know what you think of this look. Alrighty, so that is the look for today. Like I said, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. That would mean a lot, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks.